Welcome back kids. Today we are going to learn English subject. Here in this subject we will see unit number 6, lesson number 6, the ant and the pigeon. Now look here. It's your textbook page number 61, and the lesson name is the ant and the pigeon. It's a story of the pigeon and ant. Now we will see what is here. Look here. Listen, read and do. Then second, here is look at the picture. Put the correct number in the circles to make a meaningful story. Okay. So first we can see here some pictures, but it's not in a sequence. Okay, so we will put these pictures in a sequence and we see that what is the story. Look here. In this picture we can see that the ant fell into the pond and the pigeon here. The pigeon wants to help the ant. Okay, so the first sentence of this story is, one day an ant fell into a pond and could not come out. So look here, we can see here a ant. It could not come out. Okay, so write the number 1 in this circle. This is the first picture of this story. Okay, now next, second sentence is here. A pigeon sitting on a tree saw it and decided to help the ant. He threw a leaf into the pond. Okay, in this picture we can see that the pigeon tried to break the leaf and the pigeon threw it into the pond. Why? To save the ant. So the pigeon threw this leaf into the pond and helped the ant. Okay. Now next, here we can see the ant climb up onto the leaf. So here is the ant climbed onto the leaf and safely came out of the pond. Okay, means it's a third step of this story. It's a third picture of the story. So write 3 here. Okay, it's a third number. In this picture we can see that the pigeon helped to the ant, means it's a second step. So write here 2, and after that the ant tried to climb onto the leaf and the ant climbed onto the leaf also. So it's a third number. So write 3. Okay, then here is a picture of hunter. What is the hunter aimed to the pigeon? Yes or not? And it's a fourth picture of this story. After a while a hunter saw the pigeon and aimed at it. The hunter aimed at the pigeon. Means this is the fourth picture. Look here, in this picture we can see the hunter aimed at the pigeon. Okay, so it's a fourth picture. So write 4 in the circle. Then number 5th, what is here? We can see that the ant stung to the hunter's hand. Okay, means the ant saw this and quickly climbed up his arm and stung it. Why the ant stung it? Because the pigeon helped the ant. Yes or not? That time when the ant fell into the pond, the pigeon helped him. So the ant saw this. The hunter aimed at the pigeon, and that time the ant also decided to help the pigeon. So and quickly climbed up to the hunter's arm and stung the hunter's arm. Okay, and that time what will happen? Look here. Here is a fifth step of this story. So write here number 5. Okay, and then what will happen here? The hunter screamed in a pain. When the ant stung to the hunter's arm or hand, that time the hunter screamed. Okay, and he missed his aim. The gun fell down and the hunter missed his aim, and that time the pigeon heard his scream and flew away. Means here the ant saved to the pigeon. Okay, this is the 6th step of the story. So it's a 6 numbers picture. So write here 6 in this circle. Okay, so we will see this story once again. I will read it. You listen carefully. One day an ant fell into a pond and could not come out. A pigeon sitting on a tree saw it and decided to help the ant. He threw a leaf into the pond. The ant climbed onto the leaf and safely came out of the pond. After a while, a hunter saw a pigeon and aimed at it. The ant saw this and quickly climbed up his arm and stung it. The hunter screamed in pain. He missed his aim. The pigeon heard his scream and flew away. Here, the pigeon first helped to the ant, and then after that, the ant also helped to pigeon. Okay, means moral of this story, helped everyone. Okay, now here some new words. Look and say. I will read it. You also repeat after me. What is here? Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. Climb. C-L-I-M-B-E-D. Climb. Safely. S-A-F-E-L-Y. Safely. Scream. S-C-R-E-A-M-E-D. Screamed. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Stung. S-T-U-N-G. Stung. Okay. Now here, next exercise, fill in the missing words. Now here S-R-A-A-M-D. So now which letter we write here? Here is the word scream. So write C, then R is here, then write E, A-M is here, then write again E. Now it complete word scream. Okay, then P-I-G P-I-E-N. Okay, so here we should write G and then O. So which word is here? Pigeon. What is pigeon? After that, here is A-I-E-D. Now tell me which letter we should write here? Very good. M. We should write here M. So word is M. Okay. Now your homework is write following new words in your English notebook. Okay, pigeon, ant, climb, safely, screamed, leaf, stir. These words you have to write in your English notebook. Okay, I hope you understood this story. So thank you. Bye.